Hey, what's good YouTube? It's your girl Nikki with another video for you guys today. Today I'm going to bring you guys another before and after challenge. Today we are going to be starting or targeting skin care. We're going to be talking about acne scars and acne. Huge shout out to Banish or Banish Acne Scars for sending out their starter kit, which is on their website currently. And you guys, I'm super excited to try out their products. I haven't been a person who's always suffered from acne and acne scars. Still currently to this day still have minor breakouts here and there, and I do still have acne scars, especially from when I was in middle school and high school. I had really bad acne. For me, I'm a person who has very sensitive skin, and one thing that I'm really loving about these products, they're vegan and cruelty free and they're all natural. I'm just going to kind of give you an idea of what's in the starter kit. So in the starter kit, we are going to be having the Banish oil, we're going to have the vitamin C beauty elixir, a Banish roller, Banish stamper. So this actually has like little needles on it that you're going to be poking your face with, not like needles that are you're going to have pain or anything like that. Gives it little holes in your skin. In addition to the Banisher stamp, we also have the Banish pumpkin enzyme mask. Also have the activated charcoal clay mask, which is also all natural. And then we have a Banish bag, so it comes with a little baggie as well. You guys, that's pretty much what comes inside of the starter kit. One thing with all of their Banish products, they're all made fresh to order, made without parabens and sulfates. There's also no artificial colors and no artificial preservatives, and they have all organic ingredients in their products. I was looking at the website, I was looking at the reviews before and after, and you can see like there's people here who had severe acne problems, and it's pretty much cleared up. I want to go ahead and get started with this journey with you guys. What I'm going to go ahead and do is clear my face for you guys. I'm going to get my Clarisonic. Let's go ahead and move on and get started with this routine. Let's do it.
Yeah, we are in the place to be.
In the weekly routine guide, we already did Sunday. Now we're on Monday, and Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday is pretty much the same routine. It's just the Banish oil, the elixir, and the pore smasher. Wednesday is when the routine changes a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that on Wednesday when it comes around, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my Monday routine. This is what 3 items. I make sure you freeze this as well. It's supposed to help with just calming everything down on your skin. But we're going in with these 3 holy grails right now.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. And you don't have to change a thing. The world could change its heart. No scars, so you're beautiful. With stars, we're beautiful.
Alright guys, so we made it on to day 10 of the Banish Acne Scars Challenge, and I just wanted to give you guys a couple of dates of how everything's been going. I have been seeing a huge difference in my skin in just a matter of just these 10 days. Some tips that I'm going to let you guys know: just make sure you refrigerate the pore smasher, you refrigerate the elixir, the oil, and the mask, the pumpkin mask, just because they are natural products, so you have to make sure you're preserving them. And it also is better when you put it on your skin because it's so much cooler. Also, I've been using all the products like at night. I recommend doing it right before you go to bed, just because at night, that's usually when your skin cells and everything is starting to do all its good work and regrowing and stuff. So I've definitely been seeing, like in the morning, like my redness and my skin has just been tightening up so much more and it's not as red. But yeah, so far so good. I mean, honestly, my favorite thing so far is the pore smasher though, because as soon as you put it on your skin, it just feels so good. And I really do see, like, I feel like it really is like shrinking my pores. And that's like with any like cold products on your skin. Like when you put heat and steam, your pores open up, and then when you put cold products and cold water and ice and stuff, it helps close up those pores. So it's definitely making my skin look a lot more smoother. But yeah, you guys, I'll give you guys another update on day 20, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, so we are on day 20 of my Banish challenge, and you guys, I just love this thing right here. Like, I fell in love with this thing. I could put this pore smasher thing on my face all day. All day. It's so relaxing. On day 20, my two favorite things from the Banish starter kit is definitely the pore smasher and also this little toning spray right here. The vitamin C beauty elixir is definitely one of my favorites. Just feels so good on the skin. And then I wanted to give you guys an update on this pumpkin enzyme mask. You guys seen me do the Wednesday routine. That's when you use this product. It does smell like pumpkin. Smells like pumpkin pie on your face. I put it on, it was really cooling, because I remember you got to put this in the fridge. Like the consistency of this, it's like pumpkin pie. It's so good. On day 20, my basic updates is that it is definitely working. Like, I'm loving my results so far. Just a FYI or a tip, don't be afraid of the rolling, the derma rolling and the little needles. Like, you really don't feel it. And the good part is what it's really doing is creating little holes in your skin. And what it's doing is basically making your skin think like, okay, I gotta make new collagen, I gotta make new skin there. So what it's doing is just basically repairing that skin that was damaged from the acne and the acne scars. So you guys, like, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. I am loving Banish so far. So all right, you guys, so we made it to day 30 of the Banish 30-day skincare challenge. I'm actually surprised I kind of liked microneedling. Like, I wasn't expecting I was going to like it as much as I did, and I wasn't expecting for it to work as well as it did. And the thing with microneedling, I didn't have to do it every single week. They do recommend only doing it every other week. I probably did it 3 times. Now, I just wanted to see if there was a difference if you skipped a week or not, so that's what I did. I really am excited about sharing my results with you guys because there is a huge difference in my skin. And let me just tell you guys, I fell in love with the oil that goes on your face every day. The Banish oil, the elixir, and then also the vitamin C spray. Love that. I love that toner. So feels so nice on the skin, especially since you have to refrigerate it. Well, I refrigerated mine, but when I spray it on my skin, like, I don't know, I just love the feeling. It just feels so nice on my skin. And don't be afraid of the microneedling. Like, it does not hurt. You guys, I'm being honest here. It does not hurt at all. If anything, you might feel a little bit of tingling on the skin, which is normal right after when you start putting the oil in. And also when you use the enzyme pumpkin mask, it does have like a little tingling feeling at first, but then it goes away. And me, I'm the type of person who gets really red with anything that I put on my face. Like, literally, as soon as I put it on my face, I'm red. And even with nothing on my face, I just turn red. Like, I'm just a person that naturally turns red, especially in my T-zone. In my T-zone, I'm always turning red. Even in baby photos, like, I've talked about this all the time. I was born with a red forehead and red cheeks. But with Banish, I did see a noticeable difference whenever I woke up in the morning, because when I would wake up in the morning, I could tell that my skin looked a lot more refreshed. It had like a glow to it. It just looked like my pores were much smaller. I don't know. Let me just go ahead and show you guys what my before and after looked like. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my before. As you can see, I had like a mini breakout on my cheeks. There was like 3 good little pimples right in the middle of my cheeks. That's where usually I break out, though, right on my cheeks. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what my skin looks like on day 30. As you can see, there is a difference in my skin. My skin is not as red. I do still have a little bit of acne scars, but I know, like, in time I will see that improve much better. But in the time that I did deal with it for the 30 days, I'm not gonna lie, within the first week I started seeing results. I started seeing results within the first week. As the time went on, I did see my pores like just shrinking. shrinking, especially after the activated charcoal mask, which I really do love. I wish I could have used it more than once a week, but with charcoal mask, it is recommended only to use them once a week, so I only use it once a week every Sunday. This is pretty much what's been going on these past 30 days. I'm super excited about Banish. Thank you again for partnering with me and letting me try out your products. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section below, and again, this is your girl Nikki. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time, peace.